Hi guys, welcome to SCC Math. Today we're going to be working on multiplication, but we're going to be using pictures to show the multiplication equation we'll be using. So I'm going to give you guys one of the examples and then give you guys time to pause the YouTube video and work on two other problems with the help of your parents or with anyone else there with you. So just to give you a quick look at the work we're going to be doing, I'll be doing one of these problems and you'll be answering two of them. We're going to move on to the black dot problem and you'll be doing two of them. And then we're going to move on to the grid and you'll be doing two of them. Alright, so whenever we're trying to figure out which equation a picture is trying to tell us about, we're going to count up and down and then we're going to count side to side. So here I drew this arrow, so let's count up and down first. So we have 1, 2 hats, right? So that's 2 rows of hats. And then we're going to count left to right. 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So this picture is trying to show us 2 times 3. So now if we look at our answer choices, we see it's not A, because A says 3 times 3. It's not B, because B says 2 times 4. So it's C, which says 2 times 3. So we're going to answer the black dot problem the same way. First by counting up, and then by counting to the side. So let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's count to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 rows and 6 columns. So we'll circle the biggest number on the side going up and down and the biggest number on the side going left to right. So this problem is trying to show us 4 times 6. So now we're going to look into the answer choices and pick out the one that says 4 times 6, which will be answer B. So right here, I'm going to pause, or you can pause the YouTube video if you want to work on these problems at home. And remember, you can use a scratch sheet of paper as well, since you don't have this actual worksheet with you at home. So you can pause that. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the 2 black dot problems you'll be working on at home. And you can pause the video to work on those as well. Alright, and now we're going to do our last set, which is these clear cube ones, right? The white cubes. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to count the rows. So count going up and down, and then we're going to count the columns. So count going left to right or right to left, just side to side. So let's count going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's count side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's circle the biggest number on both sides. And this picture is trying to tell us 6 times 5. So now we can look for this equation in the answer choices. And that would be answer C, 6 times 5. Alright, here's your last set of 2 that you can pause the YouTube video for and work on them at home. But thank you guys so much for clicking on another SCC Math video. Thanks guys, see you next time.